close my eyes, you come alive. When I close my eyes, you come alive. I'll never forget the words you said, but you're not here. Tell me, where are you? Where are you? Sometimes I still reach out to you, but you're not here. Tell me, where are you? Where are you? I'll never forget your face whenever I pass this place. You're haunting my mind like a ghost. Time after time I'm lost without you. Without you.
Just keep them. Just keep them. Just keep them. Just keep them. Just keep them.
Hey traders, welcome to episode 353 of the show. Could be doing anything, but you're here on a Sunday evening. I really appreciate that. Okay. Bitcoin, hey, nice man, real nice. 4 hours, 8 hours of nice green price action on above average volume. Not like crazy, but hey, take anything we can get in these, you know, trying, troubling markets that are not bullish. Right? They've not been bullish for a while, for a long time, like a year. Okay, so pretty interesting though. This chart isn't that crazy, right? All we did with impulse up, down slipping consolidation, 38%, almost 50% retrace, and we broke out. We broke to the upside. Monday, it was Monday morning in Asia. I don't think it is anymore. I think it's lunchtime, afternoon now, but looks like they began the move and starting to get overbought already, right? 72 on a 4-hour time scale. So, you know, might be due for a pullback already. Look, man, I mean, in the short term, we had the pattern, the tallest area, right, from the widest area, whatever, from the bottom to top, from the breakouts. The measured move was the 50% retrace. We got that during the day stream. We literally watched that live play out. Beautiful. So you're already hitting a fib node that you've already reversed your price action a little bit at it, right? All we did was from the major discernible swing high to swing low. We first hit our 38% retrace. That's where we stalled for like 8 days, and now we've broken out of the pattern of consolidation, and we're at the next fib retrace. It's not really a fib retrace, it's just Dow's theory stating that after an impulse, you most commonly retrace about 50% of the way. That's where we are now. We're at a 50% retrace. So I'm sure that could be the top right there. You still know, man. But you would want to see maybe the golden retrace hit 38.18, and then obviously if you could break that, man, you might there's sky's the limit in terms of previous areas of resistance, right back at our C, the top of our Garley pattern, right? 4,000, 4,100, right? But that's big ifs, okay? Something that we should look at maybe though is just, I don't know, another chart but the same, right? Bitcoin to the US dollar tether. Very similar structure, right? Where we had an impulse down and down slipping consolidation, but we have now begun to make a higher low than previous low, like the Momo shift maybe, or the Momo shift would be indicative of us breaking a down slipping resistance, which, well, man, you can see that you kind of did that, did you not? All right. 60 minute though, we were looking at it, and you have a beautiful break, hook, and go. All right, whatever. I think you can move the trend line up a little bit on the 60 minute. Yeah, like move it up a little bit, and it's there. It's perfect back test. It's perfect. So nice break, hook, and go, where you break out, you back test the old area that was once resistance as support, and then you bullishly engulf. We got it, but unfortunately way too high on the RSI. 81 on the 60-minute chart. Nothing but green today, really. Besides that crazy amount of volatility we got, where that made us wake up to 37.74 on this tether chart. So here it is, man. Here comes the red. The red's coming in. What will we do? We hit a fib node. Well, we've actually exceeded a fib node here. Yeah, from your high point up here to your low point, it's a little different. All we did on the Coinbase chart was hit the 50% retrace with the wick and then sold off tremendously. Here we exceeded the 50% and we're still above it right now. Still above it. So, all right, though, you're looking like a bearish engulfing candle. It's already developing on the 60-minute here. That would make sense. We got to cool off on the oscillators. Getting hot, man. Huge spike in positive momentum. A large spike of positive momentum we've had since, back when we had the $300 move, right? The bullish divergence, double bottom, Kang's run. So here we're just going again. Nothing too crazy. Okay. Just stay grounded. Understand when these moves happen, it's not the time to be getting in. You had your opportunity. My God, it was like 2 weeks or whatever we were discussing. 33.43, come on. 33.43, the sweet number. But anyway, man, I don't know. I don't have the this pattern plotted really. Welcome, Universes Only. Thanks for the sub, man. Kangs. Thank you. Don't know if it's it might be just a channel here, dude. That's so weird, man. Yeah. Dude, you still had some sort of pennant wedge, whatever, going on. So about the same. That's good, man. But even here, we broke and back tested again. I don't think we engulfed, but dang, it was pretty nice. You held something that was once a resistance as support. That's what you want to do. But again, 60-minute looking at that tweezer double top. Wow, potentially 45 minutes left, right? Okay, so here's the selling on the 4-hour, whatever. Decent volume came in, right? Pretty decent. Above average. It's fine, right? Here are these. The way that was just, we haven't looked at this in a minute, and I just had an old pattern that became obsolete. We just kept making adjustments, and we got that pennant or whatever. All right, so nice break of the upside. Okay, man. Okay, Ethereum being king, so Ripple's beginning to move a little bit, but I'm sure it's selling off a little bit too now because of Bitcoin. Hey, Thomas Tran, man, thanks for the sub, dude. Much love. Welcome, dude. Let's take a look at some chat, man. While we look at Ethereum, whatever, man. We'll look at it in a second. Just keep our eye on Bitcoin for now. We can keep this tether chart up, whatever, man. Well, I'm gonna adjust this just a small amount. Just to touch that width perfectly. All right, here we go. Dan Stylus and Mr. Schmitz, man. What is 47? Hello, Jason. Good to see you, dude. One Man Army. Hey, dude. Long time no see. What's up, Smitty Kid? JD. Peter Pound Morgan. Dustin Witt. Miss Cantomo. Hello, Ritual Baba. Peter Freeman. Randy Schulz, Blue Coast, hello. Hey, what's up, Larly dude? Larly likes the break. It can go potentially, but might need to pull back a little bit just because the overboughtness. Maybe. But you know, it's crypto. What about Crypto W? Dan Stylus, Mobius dude. Hey, I saw your email. Did not have time to look at that guy, that coach guy. I'll check it out, man. Thanks for sending it to me, Mobius dude. My fellow statesman. What's up, Rick Schmitz dude? Justin Kang, hello. Christopher Harris, congrats, man, on your successful profit if you took some. Good job, man. What's up, P. Miller? DJ Joe Public, Ryler. What's up, Jurgen, dude? Greg H. Whoa. Hey, Crypto Cracker, dude. Do I already say hello? Am I crazy? What's up, Kondo Kumar? We're getting through it. All right. How about this, man? How about this craziness, dude? Dude, look at Ethereum. We had broken out, right? We broke out of the downsloping channel from a high point to low point. We have hit and reached the golden retrace, $137.25, a target we've been talking about earlier today, where we could run to. Nice that we broke out of the channel to hit it. Good stuff, man. Look at the volume that came in to get us over the goal line. We broke it. Now we're hooking off of it. Maybe we can use this resistance as a support now, and then maybe we can bullishly engulf after that. But it's gonna be tough, man. It's gonna be tough, dude. You're at like 78 on the RSI. Not easy, dude. When you get that, and even with the higher prices like this, you're still building positive momentum. Maybe soon you'll invalidate it. You're getting pretty close. Getting pretty freaking close. RSI has been pretty much invalidated, right? Higher levels, relative strength, lower levels of positive momentum still. But even if you double top, it's still a form. It's class C bearish divergence. So whatever, man. But dude, you're hitting. Dude, this is it, man. These are areas where people are taking profits for real, dude. Okay, 137.25. So it wouldn't be surprising to see us sell off some. All right. That's it, dude. Yeah, Ethereum making higher lows than the previous lows now. December 15th, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything is kind of bottomed for now. We'll see if we can keep this magic going with higher lows. Maybe we can get, if we're lucky, some higher highs, so we can maybe make a major retrace. Okay. Well, actually, Ethereum's made the major retrace. Bitcoin is not, which is crazy, dude. We've not even retraced 38% of the way from the high point November 7th to the low point December 15th yet. All right. Oh yeah, I'm fighting on UFC, man. Oh, we grabbed it. What's up, Tom H, dude? Sorry. Okay, so that's really your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and now we can look at XRP. You know, just kind of broke out of the triangle finally. My God. All right, yeah, nice little move. About time. We had the falling wedge pattern. We broke out of it. As soon as we broke out of it, we started contracting on price neutrally, right? To higher lows, lower highs, until we got the pop. We got the pop, and really just since then we're just kind of selling off again. Hey, we made it above the 200 moving average. We haven't been above the 200 moving average since the 10th. Dude, we're like 5 weeks we have not been over this 200 moving average on a 4-hour time scale. That's pretty nuts, man. Wow. But anyway, you know, measured move, you can look at it like that if you want. Probably wisest, I think, to just swing high to swing low, your wedge, to get your minimum targets, which would be between 35.4 and 39.7. I think I was saying on Alex Cobb's stream 34.5. My bad. I think I wasn't at my PC. Yeah, 35.4 is the minimum target. Okay, if you want to see this thing actually play out, really you'd want to see 37.5 since 50% retrace from your high to low. Normally you want to go there, and secondary target you would want, or third target, whatever, you would want 39.7 cents. Okay, but at any of these fib nodes, including the 236, we could reverse our price action to the downside. So keep your eye on each fib node. That's where everyone else is looking. Okay. There you go, dude. Sweet. Everyone's happy, right? Well, about the markets, right? Jeez. You basically made a paycheck. You're stoked, Chris Ferris. Hopefully you're not over leveraging or making high risks on that, okay? Because that never lasts, right? And my music stopped. Give me a sec. Should be okay there. Might be a little loud. I don't know. Just let me know. It's too loud. Okay. What's up, XRP Mafia? Hey, Cobb, man. What's up, dude? You can play some Apex and watch the stream, man. Sounds like a great combination, man. Don't let me distract you, though. You gotta kill those, you gotta kill Dr. Disrespect, dude. Okay. Thanks for being here, y'all. Alright, thanks to the, 160 people here. Not quite an Alex Cobb stream. I think he had like 700 plus people watching him with all this stuff going on. So, alright, man. What's up, MN Gooner, dude? Minnesota Gooner. I think it's like Minnesota Golden Gophers, but Gooner. Is there any kind of correlation with that? I don't know, dude. Jeez. Dude, oh my god. So far back. There's some craziness here, man. Hold on. Okay, Here's your freaking Walmart P. Miller, dude. Okay. There it is, dude. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. This huge impulse. I think everything's been maintained between it from the low point and high point. This all started back in 1998, right? This has been going on for a long time. Very profitable. Been doing things. You know, decent swings between. Lots of respect along this. I mean, really just along all the trend lines, right? You got the heart line, the 25-25 heart line. Come on, dude. Pretty nice. But, you know, now you're starting to get like, you're starting to freak out. You're like false breaking out of the top part of the channel, which is insane. And really just, this is the weekly time scale, because you can't even zoom out on your chart to see all this without looking at the weekly, because there's so much historical data right here. So I don't know, man. I think we had a, let's see, right, it was just kind of like this, legged up, and we had it like that, legged up. See, that doesn't really make any sense at all, right? Let me just do this real quick. So we know we're uptrending historically, right? I'll take this off the daily, so you can only see it on the weekly. Wow, man, that was some nice rounding action. Jeez, it's not. It's not your like. I don't know, man. Is that some sort of scallop or something? But no, I mean it ran up. It was a lower high than the previous high, wasn't it? I just think we had something and then we didn't. Okay. What are we bouncing? Oh, I don't think you can do it like that. Let me try this. Let me try this new angle. That is freaking nice right there, isn't it? Not bad anyway. Heart line, the 25 is a support, resistance, 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 some resistance, heart line resistance, resistance. Holy crap, that's not bad, man. That's probably the way we can look at it. You know, the historical uptrend's looking nice. No threat of falling out of that near the top of it, but you just got this nice uptrend within an uptrend, right? But you do have the lower highs now, so you could probably obviously just do anchor point 1 and 2 and just 3 down here, and you probably have a nice little downsloping channel. But just about anything, just one trend line here. Nah, whatever. Higher low than your previous low again, dude. It was a false breakout of this nice little uptrend that we developed. It started back in February 2017. I guess, man. All right, so let's fib it. Miller. That's discernible swing high to swing low. You've exceeded the 62% retrace, right? You've exceeded it to 78% retrace is 101.89. Wow, 99.99. It's like a Walmart deal. Holy crap. You know, psychologically, 95 is the sweet spot. 95 cents is what makes people, for some reason, buy more. I don't know why, but it's a fun fact. Okay, candle close, candle close. So. Okay, so yep, we'll see it 101.45 or whatever, maybe. All right. You're diverging a little bit, right? You make a high on price, a higher high on price. Yes, you got lower levels of relative strength right now and lower levels of positive momentum. Obviously, this could keep running, but you know, whatever, man. You made a lower high than your previous high before. Huge dump, and now you're rallying. Dude, keep your eye on the markets, right? Look at the S&P 500, Dow Jones Industrial. Those are going to really tell you, those are going to dictate Walmart's price action. Okay, it's going to go with the macro. Okay, great. Cool, dude. So the XRP fanboy, Chaz Garcia. Hello, man. Hey, Josh Bill, how you doing, man? Thanks for making it. Lando Calrissian, thanks for coming over from Alex Cobb's stream. Check him out if you haven't on our side. He's a good guy. He's an XRP guy. Big stuff. Big news. We're talking about divergence or what? Look at the weekly, dude, right? High, lower, bearish convergence. Lots and lots of bearish convergence. All right, well, we had bearish divergence up here, but yeah, let me get rid of this. So yeah, just some lower highs, lower levels of positive momentum and relative strength, right? Convergence. A beautiful, beautiful little uptrend right there. I'm sure we could probably include this down here, maybe, but I'm just going from like the top to the bottom, right? From the high to the retrace, just including all that. It's a decent amount of sense, right? Just keep on moving. Just keep it. Look at stuff. I don't even think we've had a request, man. I love it, man. We still, after we hit our target, we've not done anything, right? Larley, dude, look at it, man. Look at it. It's so beautiful, dude. We hit it finally. We became kings. 863, 862.9. You want to see it, to believe it, it doesn't matter, it's okay, whatever. I mean, y'all trust me. But we get right here. Here we are, man, right? Here you are, right there. That's where we started this. January 29th, right? Well, look at it. It's doing hypnotic stuff. What is that? Boom. Kangs. Freaking Kangs. Who did it? There you go. Man, I'm just not feeling it, dude. I don't know. Like, just had a really, really nice 3-hour stream today. I'm single now, so that also happened. And that sucks really bad, so it's taking a toll on like my mood and whatever demeanor a lot. So been trying to stay as, you know, amped as possible. But man, it sucks, dude. It freaking sucks. So just happy about Bitcoin price action though. Needed it, man. Needed some price action. Finally. Okay, Monday in Asia, they've started things. That's it. Hey Maxime, Simona, thanks for the sub, dude. Appreciate it. Kill that Dr. Disrespect. Alex Cobb, yeah, exactly. Get him, dude. Get him. Oh yeah, dude. Look, 3.53 to 1 reward to risk, 5.37 to 1 reward to risk, and then your big one, 7.97 to 1 reward to risk. Big, dude. Okay. There's a reason why Pundy coin is cheap, dude. Okay. The reason why it's cheap, dude. Okay, I don't know, man. I'm just gonna like randomly pick coins or something. I don't even know, dude. Like, I'm dying, dude. I don't even feel good, man. I feel like crap. Okay, I don't know, been live 30 minutes, so we looked at the big ones. We looked at Neo, we looked at Walmart. B&B still hanging in there. Still hanging in there, man. Not making, it's making lower highs. There we go. So, yeah, man. You had a nice upsloping channel. You broke out of it. You're probably back testing it or something. Can't remember. I think we had this plot. I just didn't save it. Eesh. That's not bad. No, I didn't back test by any means, but I don't know, just 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, broke out, ran to the upside, and here you are. Critical resistance, you failed. That's all-time highs right there. It's gonna be tough, man. It's gonna be real tough. Right now, I don't really know. Let's try to make sense of it, kind of structure that we might be in. Just do 1 and 2 here. See how it plays on the bottom. Do it like that. You broke out. What if you play it like this? Okay, that makes sense. All right, let's get rid of the old channel. Oh, nice, man, nice. Okay, just 1 and 2 on the top, 1 on the bottom, and here you are. Okay. So very nice move up we're getting, but just be wary of the lower high. That's a big deal, man. That's not cool. Gotta be careful. Wait, what ticker was that again? I mean, I know KC1, right? But I don't even see the gap. Dude, I've done coffee. Like, what? It's KC2? It's KC2, man. Jeez, man. What, just tell me the ticker, because it's not playing on these. Jeez, man.
Miss hang in there, man. Tomorrow's another day. You will find the right one. Then you will forget all about this. Besides, you're from Greenbow. Please check on Ox. Thanks for all you do.
Getty Lee, man, thanks for the 5 and 9 and the words of encouragement, man. I really appreciate it. Okay, thank you, man. Yeah. I mean, like, are you literally asking about ZRX or literally Ox? Futures on 10-year Russian government bonds? Really? Okay, we're gonna look at exactly that. Here you go, dude. This is Probst. Probst will be interested in this, man. This has a lot to do with him, Capo. Oh my god, what in the... Are you kidding me? Minus 12. It fell all the way to minus 12 rubles or some crap. I don't know. Anyway. Dude, no telling what in the heck is going on here. Oh, my bad, dude. My bad. Jeez. Oh man. The Russian bonds have broken out? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, dude? low to high. 38 freaking percent size flash crash. That's flash death right there. We hit that 38% twice and bounced. We found areas of value down here, it seems, and we're out of a down sloping resistance. So Momo shift potentially. Maybe so, man. Maybe so. You got a resistance right above you. I mean, if you want, we can just do this. High to low now. No, I'm not using the flash crash. That's insanity. Even the Russians aren't going to use the flash crash to fib. Okay, man. But anyway, we're near 50% retrace already, right? But hey, potentially a double bottom, some sort. Right? Definitely some sort of double bottom. So neckline's up here at 10,291. Good God, I hope you're talking about this. Dude, you said OX, not 0x, right? If I'm doing Russian futures, Russian government bonds, I'm going to literally lose my mind, okay? Whew. Is this it, man? You haven't even confirmed if I'm charting the right thing or not, dude. So I don't know, man. Anyway, I mean, targets are going to be like up here, 11,271 and then 11,832. Two targets, 1 and 2. See if the Russians win again. Okay, man. You're now down 236% JF airplane. Be careful, man. Jeez. That's scary, man. Do you have a liquidation price? 0x. What is 0x, man? No, I didn't know that, Side Girl. Thank you. Sweet. I love how we ran up here and have dumped, and looks like a ascending broadening wedge or something, a flag, bear flag that we've broken, right? Gross. I don't know though, man. Dude, that's pretty steep. It's pretty good right there. So we breached it. And hey, we still made a higher low though. From a low point to high point, we bounced at the 88.6% retrace before running up from a high point to low point, probably 38% retrace, and then we sold off. Coffee futures, man. Dude, that's definitely like, see ya. You're right. Man, I can't even like do this, man. I'm like, so like, it is so hard to focus. It is so hard to focus, dude. Oh. Anyway, coffee. Where are we, man? Look where we are on coffee futures, man. Back to October of 2013, the lows, the nadir low, the nadir levels. Back to December 2008. This is where we are again. This is a very, very critical area of support. We have not been below this area since July of 2006. So very interesting area, right? Critical area of support. Gotta hold, man. Don't fall below this area. Wow, it doesn't look that great, does it? What's up, Greg White, man? Cannon, man. Thanks for finding me, man. Glad you did. Yeah, I need to clear my head. Jeez, man. Yeah. Let's just go back to Bitcoin, man. Alright. Happy for our trades, man. Very happy with our trades, but you know, I wish trading was all there was in life sometimes, right? I mean, Bitcoin's only up 1.43% today. It's really nothing special, and as you can see on the Coinbase chart, we're still pretty deep within the parameters of our downsloping channel. With Tether breaking out to the upside, that's wonderful. Man, Coinbase tells a different story. It's not quite the same, but something that's magnificent. If we can hold these prices, sustain prices, and stop crapping out, we will be above the 50-day moving average, which is a great sign. I mean, that's what you have to have that, and then inevitably you have to have your 20-day moving average cross over bullishly that 50, which if the price action continues the way it is now, then we'll see that. It'll just happen. And then you just want to maintain prices above a 20 and 50 moving average while you're making higher prices, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Okay, so. Interesting. Wow. Okay. Not bad. That's pretty freaking good. Okay, so someone's asking about Dow DuPont. Here you go, man. Just 1 and 2 on the top, and then just 1 on the bottom. You get to all kinds of support, resistance, support, little support. You get it, man. Resistance up here, and a lot of chop. You get chop and stuff, but support. Look, impulse down, bear flag, bear pull, bear flag, measure move, easily hit, and here you are. You are at critical areas of support. This is going back to March 2nd, 2009. That was it, dude. Hey, man, this kind of looks like, wow, nice, dude. Harley, you see this, man? Jeez, and look at that. Morning Star? Huh. Okay, it'll be like this. Okay, so you get your neckline. There you have it, man. Interesting. Yeah, dude, yeah. Not bad, man. So, these are, I mean, like, lower risk areas are down here. These are areas where one will be taking positions, right? We'll be taking long positions, and then it would ride up, and one would take profit at the top, at the neckline, in case the trade failed, which they happen all the time. They fail all the time. So then you take the profits, and then you get back to even if it keeps tanking, and then you've made money, and it's great. But if you get the windfall, you break out, man. Measure move could be quite extraordinary. Wherever we were to break out, so we're going to break out right here. You could see some sort of 69.54 measure move. Well, 69.54 will be the price if we could ever make the measure move of the potential pattern. Remember, it is only a potential pattern until it breaks the neckline. Once it breaks the neckline, it then becomes confirmed. as a pattern. Okay. There you go, man. Thanks for insisting on DWDP. Just gonna do a little chat. Where are we looking at? Higher highs, higher lows. Where is this? What chart? This one? Give me this one. Walmart or just confused on which one you're talking about. It's all good. Okay. Oh yeah, on the coffee. Yeah, I don't know if it's on TradingView. It doesn't look like it's happening over there. It's weird. Yeah, on the RSI. Yeah, I mean, like, I see bullish convergence. I see higher lows. Higher levels are out of strength, right? Just convergence happening. Looks just pretty solid, doesn't it? Okay, so we've been live like 50 minutes now. All right. Bitcoin's been, and we're looking at the daily right now. Daily, look at how much room the positive momentum is beginning to build again. Volume, you know, we're never really getting enough of that, you know, that we would want to see, but it's not a traditional market really. But 59 on the RSI, so that's great, man. That's great. That means we have plenty of room to run if we wanted to. Maybe we run all the way up to 3790, maybe back test 4100, you know, that previous top, if we're lucky, man. Yeah, President's Day, it seems. Yeah. All right. Look, y'all, I'm just not feeling it, man. Like, it's been an emotional, really screwed up day for me. Like, great for the charts, though. That's awesome, man. Great for our trade, making money, dude, being kangs. But unfortunately, there are many ways to be kangs in life, and trading is not all of them. So I'm just gonna get out of here early. Okay, I'm just exhausted, man. It sucks, dude. So thanks so much, Getty Lee, for the 589. I appreciate it, man. And thanks for the couple new subs. Thank you all for being here. Thanks for all the likes. Okay. I'll just be back tomorrow. Okay. So until next time, respect to the T. Hey.